This FLASHFORGE ASA filament in burnt titanium offers a striking color shift that hides layer lines and gives prints a premium metallic look from different viewing angles and lighting conditions. Its weather-resistant formulation and strong resistance to ultraviolet light make it a smart choice for outdoor parts that need to keep their color and strength over time. The material holds its shape well at elevated temperatures close to automotive cabin conditions, so functional components like brackets or enclosures stay reliable in real use. Compared with standard ABS, this ASA is less prone to warping and shrinking, which helps larger prints stay dimensionally accurate and reduces failed jobs. Its resistance to common oils and solvents makes it suitable for practical applications in garages, workshops, and hobby projects where exposure to chemicals is likely. The filament is cleanly manufactured to minimize clogs and bubbles, so extrusion is consistent and dialing in print settings is straightforward even on mid-range printers.